Hello everyone, welcome to our Cbox container house. This is our sample area, and today I will introduce our flat pack container house to you. The flat pack container house will be pre-installed the roof and the flooring at our factory. The corner fitting and the beam will be welded at our factory, so it will help you to save a lot of install time. The 4 columns will have the water drain pipe to help the water go through more organized. And now we will see the inside. This is our window. It's the double glass UPVC window. And you can see the lights and the shocks don't have any wires because we will pre-install the wire inside the wall panel to make it more wide and tidy. And for the corner place, we will provide this kind of profile, more luxury and more beautiful. All the roof, wall, and the flooring are the fireproof and isolation material. The flooring is the cement floorboard with the PVC, which is more waterproof and more beautiful. Since the inside is more luxury, so the flat pack container house are widely used for hotel. We also done some commercial business trips at Indonesia, Malaysia, Cambodia. Now this is our WPC flooring with the terrace. We can customize different design. For example, this is the glass wall design. This is the glass sliding door, and they are enamel material. You can also put a gas cabinet. You can even put some table here. You can talk with your friend, drink some coffee. So if you have any question, please share me. We will help you solve it.